Now, welcome to today's edition for newspaper headline review. Today, Friday, 22nd November 2019. Now, the paper when he make the headline today, now it be this one. House Democrats move closer to impeaching Donald Trump. They don't say when Democrats start to investigate Donald Trump, say they want impeach him because Donald Trump no dey do wetin he suppose do. 8 weeks now they don dey investigate am. So many people don come testify against Donald Trump. How he take dey do mago for house there. How he take dey do things wey no suppose. Now the one when he come when he shock everybody, na be the Sunderland when he come day for yesterday come testify against Donald Trump. For all this evidence they don gather am now, they don dey feel big say very soon they go remove am for power. So we dey wait how the fate of Donald Trump go be very soon. Democrats don talk and say they don get the power to remove am. Miss grief for Oshomole as Edo APC crisis fester. Na me get power pass between Oshomole and Obaseki when they go on since don dey go high well. The thing don dey take, according to people wey dey speak Oyibo, dem don dey take different dimension. The thing don worse sotey the state assembly don divide into two. Some don dey support Oshomole, some don dey support Obaseki. Now Obaseki people don talk and say next election no be Oshomole go put anybody again. Say next election na the people na go decide wetin go happen, no be Oshomole or APC national committee. Say na the people of Edo state na dem go talk wetin go happen. Na the vote when people go vote na go count for this one. Say make Oshomole go find where he go hide the face. Say then don get the power, they don dey power. Na so na dey happen for Edo now. We are waiting for Buhari memo on Magu, say Senate. The 9th Senate don talk and say they still dey wait for Buhari to approach them concerning EFCC chairman Ibrahim Magu. Say they never see anything for the presidency because Magu he don too tey for as EFCC chairman. He don since 2015, November 9, 2015. Na President Mohammed appointed Magu as chairman of EFCC. To date, he still dey there as acting. People don dey talk say he don too tey for there. Say according to law, Magu no suppose dey there as acting chairman again. Say that they wait now. But we remember say the 8th Senate reject Magu 2 times because Buhari don submit the name to them 2 times and they reject am. They no gree appoint as chairman. So now Magu dey there until this moment. Now this 9th Senate say that they wait. The refs to investigate NNPC over $396.33 million spent on term. Rep don cry out say Uruguru when dey inside NNPC don too much. They talk and say money when they take dey maintain NNPC e don too much. NNPC spent $396.33 million to maintain their refineries between 2013 to 2017. That is 4 years. Say these people spend this heavy money, say they repair refineries for 4 years, and yet refineries no dey work for Nigeria. We still dey import fuel from the country. Say yet the refineries no dey work for Nigeria. We still dey import fuel come the country. Say the refineries wey dey Nigeria, the 3 refineries, the one wey dey Kaduna, Warri and Port Harcourt, say the big reach to produce oil wey we suppose to dey spend for the country, because that refineries dey suppose dey produce 4,450 barrels of oil a day, but they no dey do anything. They dey spend money, they dey squander the money. So they don dey cry say the thing e no good. say the thing need to stop. 1,915 died in 10 months. 32 drivers jailed for overspeeding. Ghana government don cry out say Ghana driver na dey kill people pass HIV now. Say the way when they take dey kill people, e don too much. They even dey climb the one wey they call pedestrian. In case you no know wetin be pedestrian, that place when leg dey pile. They even dey pass there, dey kill people. Person wey wan even enter inside store, they will go there, kill am, carry come. They don kill people for so many places because they no know how to drive. Talk and say for only this year, from January to October, they don record the total number of accidents. 11,342 accidents for only this year, January to October. 11,342 accidents, and 1,915 people now die. Only pedestrian alone, they don't hit people when be 2,418 people now they don't kill for that that place now they don't jam. Can imagine that they will come up for road, go pedestrian, hit person, come back, follow, go again. For that place, say now 11,520 now they injure. For only pedestrian, they don't dey beg the driver say before you drive now you go learn, go to driving school so that you go drive well, make you no dey kill our people again. I never said government was going to build a national shrine. Minister rubbish report. The Minister for Chieftaincy and Religion Affairs, Samuel Kofi Dazamisi, don come out talk and say he never talk and say make dem build a national shrine. Wetin he talk be say the herbalist, the juju men don come out say make dem build a national shrine for them. Na him come talk and say na good thing dem talk o, because we don get national mosque for the Muslim, we get national cathedral for the Christian. We suppose also get national shrine for the herbalist, so that they go dey throw their wega and their juju thing, you know now. So I talk, I never say we don't agree say we go build am. Make dem stop to dey talk wetin I no talk. The man dey vex well say people dey carry rumour say he talk and say they go build the national shrine for the herbalist. Say na rubbish talk, na be that one. Now so one of the herbalist man juju when don dey gidigba for inside the juju well come still come back. The man name na Numo Brafo. Now he come out say we not even fit build the national shrine for us because we dey do our juju thing for different way. The way when me take dey throw my own, not be so the other person take dey throw you own. We have a different way when we take dey do our juju thing. So you no fit build the national shrine. Anything when you talk concern the national shrine, you not just leave am, because our juju no dey enter inside that kind fine place. Juju no dey enter there, you not just leave am. Now so today news reach. We go see you now on Monday next week. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe so that you will get them anytime when we take put on. God bless you.